Now, ladies and gentlemen, with opening right shoulder, coming in and approaching the top speed of the mini-jet Tom Larkin at more than 300 miles per hour in his opening. The aircraft that Tom is performing with, the mini-jet, assemble the aircraft yourself and have your own mini-jet. However, this is the first of the kit aircraft that was sold by the Stunts company. Tom had the opportunity to purchase this aircraft, and even though he did finish the assembly on it, during the course of assembly, he made numerous modifications to this aircraft to make it not only safer, but also much more manageable in the air show arena. As he demonstrates for you now in the turnaround, again approaching the speed of the jet at 300 miles. And in the maneuver that became famous in the mid-1930s when it was performed by an aerobatic pilot by the name of Len Hogan was flying for the Cuban dictator Batista, and after the performed the loop and realized he wasn't going to be able to complete the loop safely. So he rolled out of it, rolled the aircraft upright, and completed a figure 8 in the sky. In his final performance, the brothers identical to the maneuvers that he trained. This deep piloting This little aircraft, again, capable of 300 miles per hour, is only 16 feet long, it is 18 feet wide, and it weighs just 500 pounds. Tom likes to say that if you could imagine riding a go-kart at 300 miles per hour, that's what it would be like to fly this mini-jet. From your right, Tom brings the mini-jet back in again. You know that it is what is called the four-point hesitation rule. We see this in the world where the The mini-jet has a climb rate of 12,000 feet per day. And when Tom goes through the over the top, the recovery altitude at precisely the right time. The aircraft picked up an incredible amount of speed because of its very clean and simple design. Becoming an instructor, he left the Air Force in 2000 and is now a 737 captain, an instructor and evaluator for a major show because he is accompanied by his lovely wife Laura, who is here with us today. And they were able to disassemble this jet aircraft and put it into a specially designed trailer. And they tow this aircraft all over the United States during the air show season. From show to show, you have the opportunity to see the beautiful country as it's riding in between shows, and also make it very easy to transport the airplane. You'll also notice when you take a look at the aircraft after Tom lands, its unique color scheme. This is not a paint scheme. The colors that are on the mini-jet are created by applying a thin film, the very same type of a film you will see applied to many custom cars in today's custom automotive world. Tom's going to play a little hide and seek right now as he descends behind the trees out there. Turning back around and low on the horizon, to your left, Tom will bring the mini-jet back in for his next series of maneuvers. Now, again, approaching that 300-mile-per-hour speed, he goes into a very tight 360-degree turn. This demonstrates to you not only the capability of the mini-jet in a very tight, high-G turnaround, but also the maneuverability and controllability of this tiny jet in the high-G maneuver. Our air show propellers throughout the day during a maneuver will usually experience somewhere between 3 or 4 to as much as 8 to 9 positive G forces. During that turnaround in the mini-jet, Tom is approaching 5 to 6 Gs. And now from your right, the photo pass of